Hey everybody, today I made this salad and I made this really yummy avocado ranch dressing using an avocado, of course, and some mayo, sour cream, and a few spices. And when I tasted it, it totally made me want some pizza. And I'm doing the keto diet right now, so I cannot have carbs, at least not the amount that's in a pizza crust. So today I thought I'd show you how I make my cauliflower pizza crust. So let's get started. Alright, so I have shredded up 4 cups of cauliflower, and then I'm going to add to that 3 cups of shredded cheese, and I've got a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar here. About 2 cups of mozzarella and 1 cup of cheddar, but really it doesn't matter, just any like semi-soft cheese will do. And then I've added 5 eggs, and I'm going to just stir that together. And here's what it looks like when it's all combined, but we have one more ingredient to add, and that is a half a cup of almond flour. If you don't add the almond flour, this will taste very eggy and just not anything like pizza dough at all. So I like to add the almond flour just to give it more of a pastry feel. And if you wanted, you could add garlic powder or onion powder or some like Italian seasonings like oregano or basil, but I'm just going to keep it simple today. And next we are going to prepare our parchment paper, and to get a nice circular parchment paper piece, we're going to fold it in half twice in a square and then into 2 triangle halves like so. And once we have that, we're going to line up the point of the parchment paper to the middle of the pan and cut along the edge, and then when we open it up, it's going to be a perfect circle that fits inside of our pan. Just like that. Alright, and now we are going to take half of our mixture, because we're making 2 pizzas, and just lump it all into the center of the pan. And once we've got that, we are just going to start pressing it down and make a nice flat circle. You want it relatively thin, not so thin that it breaks apart easily, but thin enough that it's not going to take too long to bake. And so we put that in the oven for about 15 minutes at 450 degrees, and now it's ready to top. So we've got our toppings here. We're going to start with some pasta sauce. I highly recommend some sugar-free pasta sauce if you're doing keto. And then we're going to add some cheese, and this first one's going to be for my kids because they're begging to eat right now. So we're just going to do some cheese, and I think I decided that I'm going to add some hot dogs, some beef hot dogs onto it. We're going to thinly slice some hot dogs. So just a little bit of cheese. I don't like to add a ton of cheese to this because there's so much cheese already in the dough. And I just wanted to show you the underside of the pizza. Looks just like dough. Alright, and before I put it back into the oven, I'm going to put it on a fresh piece of parchment paper just so the other one doesn't get too brittle and burn inside the oven. And you may be able to just get away with putting it straight on the pan, but I'm just going to keep it simple. There's the hot dogs I'm using. They tasted really good. They're 100% beef, grass-fed. They were perfect for this. And now, while that one's cooking, we're going to work on our second one here. This is the one for Mama and Daddy. So we're going to add some more pasta sauce. And I don't like to add a lot of sauce. I like it thin. And now our cheese. And we're going to start adding the veggies. I liked adding the bell pepper because it gave it that flavor of like, you know, restaurant style pizza with all the different toppings. It just Gave it one more element of flavor that reminded me of regular pizza. Great, and she's ready to go. So we put the second one in, and here's the first one. It looks perfect. And we're gonna cut into this beautiful pizza here. And look at how nice it looks. It's a nice thin crust, and it's gonna taste great, you guys. Alright, we're just gonna dollop some of this avocado ranch that I made earlier onto the plate. And get a couple slices for the kids. I'll see what they think. Hey, Helena. You like it? Does it taste like real pizza? We good? Kid approved? You want some pizza?
I like
pizza.
Mommy, I like it.
Yeah? What do you think? Is it better than the last one I made?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I added almond flour. I think that makes it more like pizza. And we're just going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to top ours, and then we'll cut it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you've tried any other cauliflower recipes, cauliflower pizza crust recipes, how have they gone for you, and what did you like, what did you not like about them. With this one, my favorite part about it is that I didn't have to cook the cauliflower first. You just grate it and mix it with the cheese. There's no like salting it and waiting and squeezing out the water and all that. You just mix it with the cheese and egg and almond flour, and it's ready to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share in any Facebook groups that are for like keto recipes and where you share this kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.